What's going on, you guys? This is Bryant. I'm doing the video a little differently today. I'm at work, so I'm on my lunch break, so I'm in my car. But I have another unboxing for you all today. Something somewhat different. I do have one of these, but it's a different model. But I hope you all enjoy. First, all right. And what do we have? We have a Mini Cooper S. This is the Nora version, the new generation. It's been out apparently for like 2 or 3 years. This is red. I really wanted the yellow one, like I posted on my Instagram page, but couldn't find it. So it was either this or black or silver, and I decided to get the red one. Still kind of disappointed, but oh well. What you gonna do? So let's check her out. Just a regular old box, as you can see. Nothing crazy. Bunch of stuff there. Some stuff right here. Blazing red is the color. 118, of course. BMW Group Munich. Alright. Oh shit. Didn't mean to do that. Try doing this with one hand. I don't think that opens. Oh, it does open. There you go. I'm not gonna take it completely out because I'm not at home. There's no point. I gotta wrestle it back in the box. So I'm leaving this box in the car. It's quite nice. I just want to make sure that it didn't have any damage or anything to it. Very nice. It would go great with my red Clubman that I have. Very nice. Not sure where I'm gonna put it though, because I'm running terribly out of space right now. But thank you all for watching. Y'all have a good rest of your day. Peace.